Hey everyone, today I've got something really exciting to share with you, especially if you've been looking for a reliable way to get Delta Executor running on your device. Whether you're using iOS or Android, this method works flawlessly on both platforms, and I'm going to guide you through the entire process, step by step. Now, I know how frustrating it can be to search for tools like this, only to run into dead links, key systems, or complicated installation methods. But don't worry, this method is totally keyless, which means you won't need to mess around with activation codes or wait through sketchy verification screens. It's quick, clean, and best of all, it actually works. As you can see, I already have Delta Executor installed on my iPhone, and it's running without any issues. I've tested it thoroughly to make sure everything functions the way it should, and I'm genuinely impressed by how smooth it is. You're going to love it. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the tutorial and get Delta Executor installed on your phone. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called pluginelite.com. Plugin Elite is a website where you can find many apps with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Delta Executor and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.